VeloDeVille is a German brand. Maybe you know them probably, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. But so they have quite a few things on Eurobike. Firstly, they're foldy. It's handy because they're all E's at the end, but they're foldy, just released. It's electric and not electric, so available in both. We asked them to show us how it folds, so I'll make sure to show that. But yeah, folding within 8 seconds, still doable. Unfolding 3, 4 to 5 seconds. The mechanism is quite weird, I would say. Yeah, it's definitely a bit weird, but it does work. You'll see on the overlay. Now, what else do they have? I'm going to lead you that way in a second, but they have the REVO-C, which is an electric bike that includes the DJI Avinox. And so this one, it definitely looks the piece. It's supposed to appeal to a younger audience, and so no Bosch, they went for a DJI Avinox, which is a massive motor normally seen on mountain bikes. Here they put it on an urban city bike. Carbon wheels, also something that would be way too expensive for a normal bike, but they put it on here just to appeal to the young audience. The DJI, it has no screen, it's here integrated. They also give you 3 years of subscription, so you can have that 4G connectivity. That means GPS, alarm, you know, just technology in general. You can connect to your phone and have some things adapted on there. We also see that they chose for a chain and a derailleur system. 11 speed, so high quality as well, to support that motor to the fullest. So yeah, really nice bike, and that's the one I'm about to test. But so new on Eurobike, first here. Let's go test it out.